Are you looking to build wealth without taking big financial risks? Here are 8 proven ways to become rich without the gamble. One key method to building wealth is to eliminate all debt. Crushing that debt in one lump sum payment can accelerate your saving and investing. Increasing your income is another way to become rich. Consider asking for a raise, switching jobs, or taking on a side hustle for extra cash. Educate yourself about the FIRE movement. By cutting expenses and saving, you could potentially retire early. Investing your money is crucial for long-term wealth accumulation. Allocate a significant percentage of your income toward investments such as stocks each month. Goal setting is crucial to becoming wealthy. Recognize your goals and create a saving and investing plan to attain them. Building a financial cushion is necessary. Have at least 6 months worth of living expenses in an interest-earning liquid cash account. Diversify your investments to hedge risk. Spread your investments across many different types of assets to protect your wealth. Stay away from schemes promising to get rich quick. Protect your money and ensure your path to wealth. Ready to build wealth without taking big risks? Start implementing these strategies today.